If you want to add text effects and messages on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your messages. Now start texting something. Let's text this. Now we gotta hold and press select all. And now let's do this again. Let's press on this arrow and let's press on text effects. So here you can make it bold, italic, underlined, crossed. We can also give it some kind of expression. And for some additional features on your iMessage, we can hold this blue icon. And we can also see some different variants of texting that. And if you're gonna tap screen, there gonna be even more. Now we're gonna press hi, we're gonna press send, right? As you see, it just worked. So experiment with it and decide what is the best for you. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.